Previously on Losing It, the wait is over.
I know we're going into the bush to do some crazy stuff.
Hey, one more! One more! Come, another water you have to drink with it.
The one I had in the light.
But you're not an idiot.
I don't work well with negative energy.
And every time me in a good mood, so me just never in the mood, so I tell him to shut up.
Something about him. Something really about him.
Hey, can I get some water, please? After a challenge like that, we had to give our contestants a break. Well, kinda. On tonight's show, we're going to look back at the challenges we put our contestants through and sneak in a brand new one. I'm Tyler Suarez, and this is Losing It, the wait is over. Our contestants had it easy and they definitely had it hard. Let's look back at some of the challenging moments.
When Gavin moved off, when I was looking, I was saying, yes, I'm going good. He was doing well.
I literally was able to get one foot in there safely, and then I was trying to open the bag to get the other foot in, and I had a disaster. It just wasn't happening. I tried 2-3 times, and then I finally got it in, and then I found out that the bag couldn't even go up to my waist. So I had one finger hooked into the bag, and I was there hopping down the line, going carefully, because you know when you're holding on with one thing and you're trying to jump a distance, that's like a recipe for disaster.
I was a little bit worried for Andre. He did well. I was a little bit worried, but he did well.
I was worried about Judith going into the bag because I just didn't want her to fall and hurt herself.
I was surprised when I fit in that rice bag.
Stay low, stay low. Stay low, stay low, stay low.
I am tall and the bag is short, so to bend and jump, very hard.
Good, stay low. Keep going, keep going.
I felt like a frog, but
Almost there. Good, stay low, stay low.
I put on my sock and thing and I look up and I see Judith like, yeah, me can catch Judith. So you know, girls start go hard.
Stay low, come out tight now.
Atmosphere had something different planned for me.
All right, take it to him, take it to him, take it to him, take it.
She was moving so fast and I don't know what happened.
Take it to him, take it to him, take it to him.
No, it's not that. Look like when breadfruit roll out the bag.
Feel good when time is she fall.
Considering that wasn't my teammate, I would admit I enjoyed that a little bit. It was fun to watch.
Oh Lord, that was another problem. I don't know if you saw, but I asked her to help me out of the bag because I was sort of tired, and when I brought up my foot, I think I knocked her face, and she might have felt a little bit concussed when she was doing her own sack race, so I might be responsible for her performance there. I'm sorry, I tell her ahead of time.
All right, all right, all right. Good job, good job, good job, good job. You good, Kerry? Yeah, I'm fine. All right.
All right, blue team, you ready? On your mark, get set, go.
it was a bit rough. Why? Because I went totally down. I never realized I could go do the perfect thing but don't go way back. So me with this big body coming back up.
Well, she's a lot shorter than I am. I'm a lot taller, so one of us, she have to stretch out her legs and I have to kind of squeeze up mine. But you know, I think we did a good job getting the high five going. Wasn't too bad.
when the burning starts to come on, it's like you can't push, and then you hear the trainer voice saying, push and come up, Judith, and I'm like, push go where? But then, he said, all right, swing out the hand, so I'm going to swing out the hand, them now it kind of give me a little boost to come up.
Remember, you have to high five.
Judith, I know that she can't really do sit-ups so well, because I give her a sit-up before, and you know, well, she's mostly top heavy, so it's kind of hard for her to do a full sit-up.
I'm pass out by 20, by probably 25 when I should probably go more if I had set properly.
Give me 3 more. Give me 3 more. Let's go. One more. One. Alright, one again.
Time.
That's alright.
A long time I don't do no sit-up still. Never bad. Alright.
Wow, the sit-ups. Hard. So when you go right back and come back up, your spine, your leg them, pain up. It rough, man, I lie. Rough. So anybody I come talk about we fat people and a style we. No for them mama can't do what we do. Can't do it. And I tell because this really challenging.
Push. Come on. Few more.
Time.
Come on, Andre.
When I saw Jason do his 40, I was saying, those guys are not doing it properly. Jason is rocking back and forward and counting it.
Sit-ups at first, I was like, okay, I can manage this because that's my thing.
Can you stop it?
I know Andre say I do still, but Andre do too. I spread out like flitters.
Apparently I was spread out like an eagle trying to get up the first time round, and everybody was saying I should have hooked my legs into Kerry's, and I tried, but it just wasn't working because mine was on top of hers.
You know, I really love Andre. Yeah, I think he's my medicine.
My feet were on top of his. So I was like, okay, fine, can do this. But then when him go down, I can't come up back, him start do the Superman laying down.
Yes.
Wait.
I need weight on my legs.
Wait, that's it.
There I was trying hard to do a sit-up at the start and wondering what the dickens is going on. I can't manage this.
Sorry, when I saw Yellow Team trying to do the sit-ups, you know, I was saying to Andre, you know, he's a fun person, him can take a joke. I told him that not even egg fry so fast. It's because he went 1, 2 and then poof. And that was
Master Brian have good technique, so if Yellow Team want to know good technique, come to Master Brian class.
Reach. Reach.
Every time Jason throw the tire, every time it connect in my head.
Yeah, I saw every lick that Malika got. I felt it. I feel like he was eating me, but even though she's getting the eating, he's getting the jerking. So it just look funny because he's the male and then she just look like she overpour him there. And she have a strong personality. It just really just come off funny.
I tell you so that time I feel like they're going to drop down. I have to hold it.
I never really see what go on behind me. I just pass the tire, because she push the tire fast through my foot. And I have to just grab it and fling it over my shoulder. So as she know to set her head good. So if she set her touch her in her head, she just move to the left and move to the right and just take the tire. We have to beat blue team, so we need to try to go as fast as possible.
Good. Reach. Good. Reach. Reach. Bring it right through.
Time.
Reach.
I'm surprised she didn't walk away feeling dizzy after all of that.
I'll be able to hear this.
Blue team! We got this!
Blue team dead.
I like them look at hypeness, you know, because they see the beauty about the hypeness at some point, because we're all of our days, you know. So you're going to have a challenge, we're red team, them are going to have it coming.
Up next, more challenges, and our at-home contestants get the shock of their lives. Losing It will be right back.